Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install MovieBox on your laptop or PC in a simple way. So let's get started. First, open your browser like Chrome. Now go to the search bar and type MovieBox download for PC and press enter. You will see many websites in the search results. First, open the Microsoft Store website if you see MovieBox available there. If it is available, you can easily download and install it directly from the Microsoft Store, which is the safest option. If it's not available there, then go back and open a trusted website like MovieBox app, Company's EA. From there, you can find the download option for the PC version. Once the file is downloaded, open it and start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the installation. After installation is complete, open the app and you can start using MovieBox on your PC or laptop. Just make sure to download from trusted sources to avoid any security risks. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.